What I want to do for you today is do a tutorial on Explore MPS. So what you want to do is start with the Google page, go straight to the search engine, and then we're going to just type in Explore, and I'm slow, so just work with me. Explore. There we go. And then MPS. Hit the return button. And then what you'll see, it is actually the very first website listed. So it's going to say exploremps.org. Hit that. And then what you're going to find here is MPS School Finder. And here's, you're going to type in your address, the city, Minneapolis, your zip code, and then the age of your child. And so let's choose high five. Let's say you have a high five or a 4-year-old. So hit that. And then you want to find your school and then hit that button. And you'll see here there are 11 results. You're going to find community schools as well as magnet schools that are available for your child. So you can hit all of them or scroll the ones that you feel are closest to your home. And you'll see here that they'll have a distance listed. They'll also tell you the grades that are served at the school. So put that into account when you make your decision. We'll just scroll all the way down just to take a look at what's available. And I think we're going to choose Hall today. So once you've chosen your school, you want to scroll down to the bottom of that block and hit View School. And then we're going to scroll down a little bit towards the middle right side of the page. You're going to see the address, the grade served, the principal, the hours of the school, phone number, website, and just contact information. Scroll down, and here you'll get to know a little bit more about the school. Here's a section called Get to Know Us. So read that, and then they're going to talk about, because we chose a magnet school, what is a magnet school? And then they're going to give you highlights. Continue to scroll down. You're going to find highlights that the school offers. And then demographics that are served. So continue to scroll down, they'll give you those stats. Once you've read that information, you found what you wanted, scroll back up. You love this school. You want to continue to learn more about it, or I've decided to enroll my child here. So you want to hit the request button here. Now, if you choose that, that you want to learn more and you want to explore and see what else is out there, just hit the back button and then you can check out the other schools offered. But we're choosing to move forward. So next is going to ask you, which school year are you requesting? Are you looking for this school year, or are you looking for next year? Let's say that we're looking for next year. We're going to hit the request button here. And then here you're going to see feedback. So they want you to do a survey. If you want to do a survey right now, go ahead and hit the information that's being requested for you. Once done, you want to hit submit. Now we're choosing not to do it right now because we're doing a tutorial. So we're just going to skip this survey piece. Next, you're going to see to the right of the page or the left of the page, it's going to say, welcome to 2023-2024 school request portal. Now here, they're going to just read this information. You get a little bit of additional information, but the important part here that I want you to pay attention to is student enrollment office. And that number is 612-668-1840. I pointed that out for you because if you feel that the website has not answered all of your questions or some of the concerns you may have, then you want to call this number directly and they will meet every need that you have possible. So let's say you got everything you needed, all the information here, you've read all the way down to the bottom and you're ready to go. You want to hit resume your request. Here, this is when you fill out your child's information and you're going to see that they have 1 through 9 steps. Once you hit that 9th step, continue to follow that prompt and then they're going to submit it to enrollment. And again, if you have any additional questions or concerns, make sure that you call them directly and they will meet that for you. We're done here. I want to thank you guys for your time.